Life can never be a bed of roses. Problems and challenges is there to stay till we are living. It is a cycle of events. Some or the other problem at the professional or at the personal level keeps us on our toes. There is no life without problems. What matters is how do we deal with these problems, and each one of us, interestingly, have a different way to deal with problems in life, depending on our resources, limitations, circumstances, and coping mechanisms. However, there are some standard approaches to deal with problems at our professional and personal level, which usually help us sail through the problems of life with less trouble. Welcome all to the session on problem-solving skills. This is Susan signing in. In today's session, let us understand 4 simple steps to solve a problem. The first one, define the problem. Break the concern or problem to minute parts and exactly pinpoint and detail out as to what is the problem. Detect the exact causes behind the problem and get the information cross-checked and verified before arriving at conclusions. Hence, identifying the problem clearly is the first one. The next one, generate available options of solutions or alternative solutions. Implement the first 5 whys formula over here. Use your experience, advice of others, intuition, logic, etc. to work out different options available as solutions. Get creative and retrospect whether you have considered all the available options. List out as many as possible. Write them down for reference. The third one, evaluate the options and select the best. Now here you need to consider the challenges and obstacles you will face with each option. Determine the availability of resources like time, people, emotions involved, short-term and long-term effects, risks involved, etc. to meet the options. It may be a mix of more than one option also sometimes. Decide your first and the last step well in advance. Foresee the solution from all angles and its impact, and then finally confirm the best favorable one. The fourth and the last one, implement the best solution. Putting to action the solution is a time to see whether you want to follow up and assess the quality of the solution implemented so that next time the same problem arises, you are more equipped to solve it better. So that is all to the session on problem solving skills. Friends, life, whether professional or personal, will always have problems. Sometimes small, sometimes big, sometimes short-term and sometimes long-term. Let us not sit brooding over it and not be weighed down by it. Let us resolve them and move on. This is Susan signing off. LSS. Like, share and subscribe to this channel for more videos on career growth and development. See you soon in my next.